Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to share a recipe of baby corn chili. The vegetables that we will need for this recipe will be baby corn, capsicum and onion, and also some green chilies. That's it. That's all we need. And other than that, we will need sauce, all kinds of chili sauce, tomato sauce, hot and sweet sauce, and soy sauce and vinegar. That's it. So this is how we have to cut the baby corn into 4 equal slices. You can see like this. Use a chopping board for better experience. Now we will boil the baby corn, and we will add salt to the water, and then we will add the chopped baby corn. You can see it's 60 to 70% cooked. You will see the color of water will change, and that's when you have to put it off. We will strain the baby corn with the help of a strainer, and do keep the water because it is very healthy. Don't throw it, use it in any way. Now I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of maida and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Along with, we will add salt and black pepper to your taste. Now using our hands, we will give it a good mix. We will use our hands because baby corn are a bit tender, so that should not break. Now I'm adding little bit. I'm using the same baby corn water that I have strained after boiling. Now this is the consistency that you are looking for before frying the baby corn. Okay, now we will warm oil in a kadai. It should be medium to high flame, not too low flame. After putting a small baby corn, you can see that it is bubbles are coming up. That's the perfect temperature for frying our baby corns to make it very crispy. Fry till it is golden brown and crispy. Now we will warm the oil at medium temperature, and we will add chili, green chili, onion, capsicum, garlic. You can also add ginger garlic paste if you wish to. And we will stir fry the vegetables. You can add any vegetable of your choice like cabbage, beans, capsicum. Now we will start adding our sauces, that is tomato sauce, the first thing that you have to add. Then we will add chili sauce, we will add hot and sweet sauce. I also added a little bit of red chili sauce. You can add it if you like it spicy. We will give a good mix to the sauces and vegetables. Salt is completely optional here because all the sauces have salt. And then we will add our baby corn. We don't have to cook too much, we just have to mix it with the sauces. Cooking too much will decrease the crisp of baby corn, and you need to keep it crispy. And now your baby corn chili is ready. You can serve it with any chutney, that is tandoori chutney. I'm adding little bit of coriander because that is must for me. You can totally skip the part because it is a Chinese dish and not Indian, so you can totally skip it. It was my personal choice to add it. You can skip it. Okay, your baby corn chili is looking wow. please try this recipe and please tell me in the comment section that you liked it.